All right, guys, y'all see what I got here? It's about that time. I'm about to go make me some, see what I can get out of this, guys. What y'all think? I don't know. According to these wheels might be $10 a piece. Battery, it's got a little money in the battery. Transmission, I don't know what I'm gonna get for the transmission, but who knows? See, the only thing, guys, I'm out of room, right? There's some more. Let's take a look over here. There's some more goodies over here. Like, no, don't take this, JT. They just delivered this. I don't want people to see what might be possibly going in their cars. I ain't gonna show that. This is somebody just replaced this yesterday. Okay, yesterday. All right, with another used. That look like a 6-speed. It's not really a ZF9 speed. I'm gonna grab this. Now, guys, this is not all aluminum. Like the heads are aluminum, but so I ain't really interested in steel and iron and stuff because they don't pay like they used to. All right, what's over here? I see they have 42 RE rotors. I can easily dump them on the trucks now. They don't pay none. They just take up space, and they don't really pay none. It's axle. I think that they said it was warranty, but then they brought it back in and said what? And said take it, JT. No, I don't want it now. I need all my room. What is this? A differential? Yes, real diff. Ooh, aluminum too. I think I'm gonna throw that on the back of the truck right now. What is this? I don't know what kind of engine is that. It's not Chrysler. I don't know what that is. Come out of something, but it's money. I think I'm gonna take this, guys. They don't want this, and y'all think I got room? Look at the truck. Y'all think I can squeeze a real diff unit on here? What y'all think? I need some input. Where you at, Mike Hernandez? My dude, my buddy, my home biscuit skill, Uncle Mark. Where y'all at? Yes. I'm greedy like that. I'm about to, I do it on the next round. Yeah, that's what I do, because I got to come back anyway, and I'll load. All right, JT, stop being greedy. All right? Don't mess with that. That's going in the car. That's the engine they just dropped off for Liberty, guys. Some people, this is the one I'm putting in this, so it definitely can't mess with that. That's one I got to put in on the car outside. Remember I spoke about this, guys? What y'all think? Back to this. See, I try to do all aluminum, mostly aluminum. Batteries is what's going to pay the most. I got me a set of gloves, radiators. I got to go real slow, guys. I'm going to try to grab a strap and tie this down. I don't want no accidents. I mean, I'm going real slow. I don't want no accidents. I only got liability on this truck, so if something happens, make sure this gate ain't going to open, batteries fall out. Guys, cars can't just run over objects like this. I'm going to try to take this load off this door. But at any rate, let me get out the way because somebody's trying to get in the shop. So I'm headed to the scrap yard, guys. All right? Y'all think? Yeah, I'm going to grab a strap and tie that up. All right? So, wow, look at this nice truck right here. Woo, hold on. Before I shut this down, we about to take a look at this. Look at this beauty. Whoa, that is a freaking beauty. Look at that. Alrighty, that is a nice one. All right, I think he waiting on me. He's not gonna be able to get out because look at here. He can't squeeze it out because I'm in the way. So like I say, guys, let me shut this down. I'm moving it, shut up. That's how we roll, guys. All right, stay tuned. Next time I see y'all, we'll be at the scrap yard. Look at that monster of a truck. That is nice. Look at the funny looking guy that's driving it. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. Hey, turn that down, man. You know I can't be playing this loud music. I am here, guys. I think I got maybe an hour and some change before they let the last person in. I hope I'm not here all day. I hope ain't nobody here. I just want to unload and go. Okay, that's why I only want to deal with aluminum. I don't necessarily have to get on the big scale. Oh no, quite a few, guys. Please let me get in and out. Please, please, pretty please. All right, I'm gonna try to squeeze over here, guys. So I'm gonna let this U-Haul. Oh, he just got off the scale, so it's like he gonna be. What is he doing? What you gonna do, bro? Let me know. All right, what they got? Look at all this scrap. It's just pure crap. I'm waiting till this truck get out here so I can bag. Ooh, look like he done. Good. I'm going right there. Come on out, baby. Get that little Chevrolet out of here. I'm gonna bag in right there, guys. All right, hold tight, guys. Whoa, what a mess. It's crazy out here. I'm done. I just got out the scale. I'm about to get my money and get the hell out of Dodge. I dumped off some transmissions too. Oh, okay.
Batteries, aluminum, dirty aluminum radiators, old sheet, iron aluminum, aluminum wheels, then more iron aluminum.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. All right.
Whoa! It is clustered out here. I'm done, guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see how well we did. Did anybody guess it right? All right, let's see. Oh, I see 2 Chris $100 bills. That matters. Okay, let me lay this aside and look at the final total. Guys, was it worth it or not? Yes, $261. The batteries came through for a brother. Almost $100. Those batteries I got from Brothers Motors. Yes, that's all we do out there is batteries. We don't have the GR8 machine, so if we suspect a battery and you tell me it's old, we recommending a battery. What else did good for me? Hell, just the batteries. Iron, aluminum. Okay, I guess that's the transmission. But at any rate, I am now. See, I'm gonna take this money and put back toward the channel. Remember, guys, stay tuned for that 40K subscriber raffle. Look, I've been working so hard, my gloves tough. That's it, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for freaking watching, man. I really appreciate it. See y'all in the next video.